So up until this point, we've only been logging to the console all the events that happens when you're trying to upload something via Turbo on Arweave. But in this tutorial, I'm going to cover something UI related. So here I have a form that picks a file, and then I think let me just show you the form. At this point, if you've watched the previous videos, you've already seen this form. But also I've added something which is going to show the upload progress as I'm uploading my data on Arweave. So this is just UI. Now let's implement the logic here inside of the upload file. So again, I'll wrap this in a try catch, and I'm going to log the error if we get any. But this is going to be focusing on showing a sort of progress bar as the image is getting uploaded to Arweave. In this case, I'm going to upload an MP3 file because it's a bit larger. So first thing we do here, back up here, I need to initiate the Turbo instance. So again, I'll do Turbo factory, import from the web, .authenticated. And I need to add a signer, and the signer is going to be the rconnect signer because I'm using rconnect. And this will be window.arweave wallet. And so now that we have this Turbo instance, what I can do here inside of the try block is I'm going to try to get the result, and it's going to be equal to await turbo.upload file, upload file. And this takes in a couple of parameters. The first parameter is going to be the file that I'm going to upload. And now the progress is going to be my progress here. Sorry, I'm going to add in events. So the event that I'll cover here is going to be the on upload progress. Just a second. Yeah, I have events, and this is going to be equal to upload progress. Let me see. Yeah, on upload progress. This takes in an object that you can destructure and get the bytes. Before I do that, let me just try to create the whole function. And this function, what it's going to do, it's going to be able to calculate the progress. The progress cost progress. And I'll come back to calculate the progress later. I just need to destructure this object first. Here we have total bytes. The second parameter we have is processed bytes. So what I'm going to do here on the progress is, yeah, I'll just do this and set that. So what I'm doing here is I'm getting the processed bytes divided by the total bytes times 100 to get the percentage. And I run that percentage and set that as my upload progress so that we can show the progress here on progress, right? In my progress bar. So now with that said, I need to save this file. Come here, try to look for a file. This file should be large enough. This is a 10 megabytes, 10.6 megabyte file. So if I open here, I click on upload, it will require us to sign. It's now uploading. Yep. Since it's at 10 megabytes, let me see if I have enough credit for that. Okay, looks like I do have enough credit. So as you can see, the progress has just gone by and the upload is around 100% and the whole bar is filled, or it's full, right? And actually, let me just log the result at the end so that you can see that it's really happening as expected. So the same file is there. I try to upload it again, upload, and you should see this going back to 0. Yep. And you just give it a couple of seconds, it's going to show the progress bar till the end of the upload. And once this progress bar is full, you should see the result being logged in the console. So yeah, the progress bar is full and the result should get in the console in a second. As you can see, the result is right here. And this shows how you can just display some sort of progress to the user so that the user knows what's happening behind the scenes. And by the way, there are different events that you might want to add. For example, there is on upload success. On upload success, you might want to show something different. But for this tutorial, I just wanted to show you the on upload progress, because I think it just gives that nice user experience to the person trying to upload from your application. So yeah, make good use of it. And with that said, that was the only thing I wanted to show in this tutorial. Catch you in the next one.